Roll with me today.
When the road get rough and your vision gets blurry, give it all to Christ, man, and don't even worry. When the road get rough and your vision gets blurry, give it all to Christ, man, and don't even worry, because we gonna win. Yeah, we gonna win. We gonna win. We gonna win. And we gonna
Man, look at all these. It like literally made ice sculptures of its own out here. So this is something you never see before, man. It's incredible. Fishing alone, you won't be able to fish out here. Not right here. That spot I found was like a dead spot. But you walk out on this, man, you definitely a dead duck. Never seen nothing like this before. As you look, as far as the eye can see, man, it's all crazy like that out here. The guy I was talking to today said he went to the lighthouse and it was poking holes in the ground like I was doing back there in the beginning where the dock start. And he said they wasn't hardly catching nothing either, even though it's like 40 degrees out here. It might be 40 degrees out, but it is still frozen out here on this lake. So right now would be the best time for y'all to go to Walmart, get y'all license up, because they're gonna definitely be out here checking them when we get out here and really get started real good fishing. Just check out some of this stuff I'm showing you. Something I've never even seen before. On a day like today. This is a beautiful scenery. I've never seen nothing like this before in my life. Like I said, it's something you will never see in your life. Whoa, dog. Somebody looked like they tried to poke a hole right in here to fish. But that's about it. It's like a scary little walkway, but you know you wouldn't make it. But I actually can move around. See if you can move around over here and get something. But all this is something beautiful I've never seen before. You know, definitely looks can kill, because you step out on that deep ice, you're gonna definitely fall through. Never seen a cat out here. This dude got 9 lives. What's up? Roll with me today as we go out to the auto show. Till next time. This is probably the best one I've seen yet. Everybody getting in to see how crunchy it is on the inside. Hey, do it feel tight on the inside or snug or? Yeah. Ultima all-wheel drive. What in the world is this, man? This is like an all-wheel drive, off-road, you name it. What kind of car is this? You definitely can't touch this. I've never seen nothing like this in my entire life, car-wise.
Hi YouTube fam, how you doing?
They got a Lego car. People like, you know, that was a Lego truck. This is the Silverado. This is what everybody likes.
Diesel and the 6.2 have a 10-speed transmission. You fully connected thanks to 4G LTE Wi-Fi.
Guys, I'd love to get this. This is like if you camping or something.
Exactly, camping, fishing, 4th of July, tailgating. And it's installed with the Kicker sound system, so it's waterproof and weatherproof.
How much would this cost? This is a little smaller version, isn't it?
Yeah, no, actually, this is the same exact size.
That's
It's
that?
Same size. They're
Wow.
both half tons, 1500s.
V8 too, ain't it?
Yeah, they're both V8s. 422 horsepower, 6.2 liter engine.
Wow. Actually, this looks sweet. They really trying to get you to get the Jeep or the truck off-road. Oh. I think that's I'm gonna try these long test drive.
Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, I'm in.
Good to all you fishing. And look, when she opened the door, animals come out. This is my truck here.
Hi, Fluffy.
Y'all mind if I get in the front with the guy?
Do you have shotgun or are you in backseat?
I'm gonna take shotgun.
Shotgun, yeah.
I'm gonna look at this new big screen.
How's it going?
All right, how you doing?
Welcome. Good.
Oh, got it. Seatbelt.
All right, seatbelts.
You gotta push me now. You gotta push me. Lift me up.
Seatbelt, please. Take your time. You're good. I'm just rolling forward. Got a bunch of trucks out here. We don't want to get in traffic. All right.
Right over something. I think that's the
How much do this cost?
This one is 60.
60
Yeah,
grand.
57 or 60.
Wow, look at this.
Isn't that cool?
The screen is crazy.
No, they got rid of it. Man, you want to work for us? You can point out all of our features. So it does. It's not a bad thing sitting in the middle.
And
Anymore.
then they got
Something I
like
never
it
seen.
actually have another person.
You got cup holders right here.
Oh.
You got a center console.
Look how
that
much
comes down.
room they
See that
got in
little
the
pull
back.
tab?
And the sunroof is
Pull that
super
thing.
long. It's a
Oh.
panoramic roof.
Isn't that great?
Oh,
have your laptop.
You can hide stuff back there.
tells how fast he going.
We're gonna roll right up and over this, and I'm gonna use those cameras because it shows me an overhead view.
Wow.
Isn't that great? So it combines the front, rear, and side cameras.
Wow.
Use the bathroom.
They got side cameras on this too, huh?
Yeah, so they're on the bottom side of the mirrors there.
Look at this.
Look, we about to go on that.
Right?
Come on, look, we about to go on
Panoramic
that.
And
See
it's
that
goes.
big hump right there?
So this is basically off-road, huh?
We'll lean a little bit to the right.
Oh wow, the interior is nice.
This is nice.
I hit my hand on this.
All right, let me scoot my chair
Guess
up.
what, Toys? I haven't had this
your
in a
seatbelt
long
on.
time. Most people have this. So is this an obstacle course? Are we jumping off things?
No, we are not, my friend. You mean here today?
Toyota Supra was the little race car looking thing.
That's the new one. Supra's coming out again this year.
Right.
Yeah, we don't have it. For some reason, they didn't bring it out to the car show this time.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go all the way down.
All the way down.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, these must have been all the cars that let you test drive before they started shutting down.
Yep.
You guys are probably getting ready to shut down too.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're gonna be probably shutting down.
45,000. They lock in the range. Jeez. Here go the BMW, the 330. This is their small one. This is the Cadillac Escalade. You ain't gonna be driving, trust me. The new Navigator, $103,000. Gotta show the Lexus, man. This is mean. Look at all these birds. Look like they flying south for the winter.